guys, we're running squads here. Go watch my boy Shanks V on YouTube. We're gonna run some close
You'll put my
encounters.
link down in the description, and
Yeah.
I'll put his down in my description.
There you go. He's a pro YouTuber, so he knows what's up.
Yeah, I have one person that wants to do collabs, so that makes me a pro.
And he can do the plus. We're supposed to... Yeah, I'm coming. Got one?
There's a dude right outside my house. Like of course there's. Why wouldn't there be?
Oh, tagged him. Oh, he's really low. Of course he hits me. I hit him for like 900 damage. He's still
Like
getting me, bro.
9.
Get me.
Hold
Never
on,
mind.
hold on.
Kill him first.
I see him.
I love how Colin's key never got collected in like 7 matches that we got.
What am I doing?
I'll wait for you though. Dude, hit your shot.
I've hit like every one of them, and just none of them were...
Come save me. Now there's another guy here. He's picking up what? No, he's reviving. No, he's picking up his weapon. Dude, I don't know what this man is doing. Help, help, help. Hurry, hurry, hurry. He just came down and... Dude, come get me. I'm at... Oh yeah, I placed some metal up there. Don't worry, keep the res, keep the res. Hola.
Uh-oh, he's right there. See him? Shoot you through the car. Oh, you got him good. He's good.
How's it go? Oh shoot. I don't... Oh god. Gotcha.
Wow. Clutches
Right as I
it?
sneezed, he killed him.
Clutching it? Can he do it? Where did this dude come from?
Nope, I know.
Let's go! Let's go! Sorry, that was really
Go,
loud.
I have to, I'm sorry.
You got this, let's go. We'll just
You're
have to get our
not a god?
bandages.
You are God.
Well, I wouldn't go that far, but...
I
Yeah,
am
just
the
get out of there as quick as you can.
You're not
Here you
a
go,
god,
take that,
you're
bye, see ya.
the legend.
Everyone get on the campfire.
Gather around the campfire and sing the campfire song. I know I'm a
Floss,
disappointment.
floss, 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 floss. Oh my god, legend.
You should like.
Oh, thanks,
Okay.
Jake.
What?
Yeah.
I clutched up, I need it.
I clutched up and saved your life. You wouldn't have clutched up like that if it weren't for me.
Shut up, Easton, I love you.
Just
Shut up,
saying.
Easton. I love
Hold on,
you.
hold on, hold on.
Someone destroy this
Alright,
stair,
go.
I can't see. I can't move. Someone destroy that.
Go. Here, I'll steer
Can't
you.
move.
Alright, go.
Thank you. There's people landing by you. He's over there.
Aw,
There's also people right there. Oh yeah, you can use your jetpack. Make sure you don't fall. You use your jetpack.
What?
You gotta slowly use your jetpack. Because if you hit the ground, you'll die.
That
It's
is
a
so
glitch.
cool. After him?
No, let's let one fight and then we'll go after him. Wait, why am I fighting them right now? We're not even in zone. Knocked one. I think you're going low.
Watch Jake just be a sweaty Black Knight, and that's all he uses is Black Knight.
Jesus Christ.